Barbie. Barbie, slow down. You're going too fast. Watch out. Ah! Hey guys, so we've got this, really excited about this Barbie Extra Deluxe with her blue hair bow and all her different accessories. I love her necklace and her golden earrings and her little kitty, look at. And her skirt is cute. So we're gonna open her up so there won't be such a glare on her, but she also has these cute pumps and another kitty shirt. So yeah, let's open her up and see what she looks like, yeah? Oh, in the back too, we've got a nice jacket skirt thing, and her other skirt you can use as a jacket too. That's kind of cool, right? Let's open her up and see what she looks like. It's kind of, I really don't care for the box. Just rip it open. Let's see. I hope I don't lose anything. Let's just be really careful not to lose anything, you know? Okay guys, and so for, what was it? I got it for $30. I say for 30, she's a good deal. 35 was a bit much, but still, you still get a lot of stuff. And you know, these, if you look at it, these are gold and silver. So these I almost crushed. They're super flimsy plastic. I like bent the side here. Just be really careful of those. So we got, and her 2 skirts here, 3 skirts or whatever those are, and her. So yeah, I'm happy with everything I got. I like most everything, and the couple things I don't like, they're just stylized. So you know, Barbie has her own style, and you just have to kind of appreciate her design. So I like to let her kind of inspire me. Her boots, her little pumps, super cute. I like the color, beautiful. So yeah, let's style her up. Let's do it. So Barbie, are you almost ready to go out? I mean, I let you borrow my outfit. How do you like it? It's a bit extra. I love it. It's fabulous. Thanks. You're welcome. Thanks for my outfit too. Let's go, let's go. I want to get to the dance club. Come on. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Okay, let's go. Wait. Do we have time for a photo shoot? Fine, yeah, let's do it, yeah! Come on, Barbie. I think we're done taking pictures. Can we, like, go to the party already? Yeah, I mean, yeah. I'm just having so much fun. Let's go! Barbie, slow down. You're going too fast. Watch out! Ah! So, obviously I love this new Barbie Extra Deluxe and all her outfit pieces and accessories. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more videos like this. That'll let me know. And subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.